How to create a shifts schedule in Microsoft Teams. With shifts in Microsoft Teams, create a schedule and assign shifts to your team members. Select shifts and select create a new schedule to build one from scratch, or choose a team that already has one. Create groups to organize your team by role or department. Select add group, type a name, and add team members. Added team members appear on the left of the schedule. To create a shift, select More Options, Add Shift. Add details like a theme, color, start and end time. Label, breaks or notes. Select Add Activity to include specific tasks. When you're finished, select Done. Save. Need another person working the same shift? Select More Options. Copy. Choose a slot, and then select More Options. Paste to assign it to someone else. If you want to reuse the schedule, select Copy Schedule. Choose a date range to copy from, and a date range to copy to. Select details to include in your copied schedule. Then select Copy to undo an action. Select More Options. Undo Copy Schedule. To create open shifts that employees can request, select More Options. At OpenShift when you're ready, share your schedule. Select Share with Team. Choose to send a notification to your entire team or just the affected team members. Select Share, and your team will see your updates. Thank you for watching us.